There's one in your phone, and one in your laptop, one in your electric toothbrush, and one in your car, too. They offer you freedom, choices, and the energy to go where you go and do what you do. Batteries are everywhere and power the life you love today. But what makes a good battery good? At Malvern Panalytical, we are proud to support battery makers around the world with a complete range of physical, chemical, and structural analysis solutions. Solutions that help determine a range of critical parameters, from particle size, shape, and elemental composition to crystal structure, polymer size, weight, branching, and battery cell degradation systems. Solutions that enable battery manufacturing to be more precise, more reliable, and more efficient, and help manufacturers to power the world. Discover new horizons in battery quality with Malvern Panalytical.